Bill Gowdy checking in.
Finally, a little cooperation with the weather. Got a couple of nice days coming up. It's time to put the camper on the Chevy pickup truck. Check it out. This is a 1986 camper that I'm going to install on a 2009 Chevy 2500 HD. I could spend $2,500 at the minimum and get and upgrade this to all electric jacks. You can say I'm conservative, or you can say I'm cheap. I don't care what you say. I do this by hand.
What you think, Lucy Lou? What you thinking? You think we got quite the job going on here? Is that what you think? Are you my sweetheart? Huh? You my sweetheart? Alright, let's get this switched out. This is my socket I made. It's a, let me see, 7/8 socket. And I just took my Dremel, and cut that out. And made a little socket for it. This is what I use to raise this up and down. Otherwise, I have to use this hand crank, do it by hand. Going down is always easier. Let's see how the solar panels did over the winter. See how they weathered. Well, the seal's still there. Looks real good, real nice tight seal. And those panels aren't very dirty either. I'm surprised. I mean, there's a little bit of dust on them, but not bad. Not bad at all for being a flat roof. They had a lot of snow on them. They sure did. They're looking good. I'm happy.
I believe this is the antenna for the satellite or the XM radio. I got a free trial when I bought this truck. This Chevy comes with a 2.5 inch trailer receiver, and all my equipment is 2-inch. I will have to get an adapter so that I can run the 2-inch in the 2.5 inch. I think Walmart's got them for around $11, $11.50 or something like that. Let's take this baby out for a little test ride and see what she'll do. But I noticed that this antenna is not going to work on this camper because the XM radio loses its signal. So I got to come up with a different antenna or a different solution, and maybe other people have had this issue. I see Walmart sells trucker antennas. They got a magnetic mount, and they also have a mirror mount. I may have to do something like that. I don't know. This is all new, so I don't know. I might just stick with the regular old AM/FM radio. We shall see. I'm getting anxious to get out on the road and do a little traveling. Maybe see a few people. Thank you for watching. Bill Gowdy out.